Hello, my name is Joe Hopkins, the Hopkins CPA firm here in Corpus Christi, Texas, although I do work all over the nation. Just enjoying a leisurely day, walking around the block again. Just today I wanted to talk about trust fund dollars as it relates to payroll taxes and the things that we need to do to mitigate any trust fund penalty filings and recoveries from the payroll tax system. Basically, what is trust fund portions of the payroll taxes? The trust fund is the portion that is taken from the employee's paycheck. So for every $100 or so of taxes that's owed, probably 60% of that is money taken out of the employee's check. Why is it more than 50%? Well, you got the payroll taxes, the FICA and Medicare, which is 7.65%, both taken out and matched by the employee and the employer. However, you have the federal withholding portion that is only taken out of the employee's side. Together, the half of the employees plus the federal withholding makes up the trust fund recovery portion that the IRS tries to get back. Why do they call it trust fund? Well, that is entrusted to the employer to remit those taxes after it's taken out of the employee's check. This portion, labeled as a trust fund, can be held personally liable against the individual of the business ownership. So let's say the business closed down, right? Well, there's a possibility maybe a portion of those taxes that the employer had to remit, maybe we can get out of that part. But the part that's part of the trust fund, that follows the individual of the business around whether the business is closed down or not. So trust fund penalties can get out of control really quickly. Another thing that you want to take into account is people may not have the ability to pay the payroll taxes. So what do people do? They just don't file the 941s. Right? Now it's logical. If I don't have the money to pay it, and you're robbing from Peter to pay Paul at your business to keep it afloat, I get it. I've been a CFO and controller for a couple of decades. So that's the easiest part to, cash flow money out of, is just to take what was supposed to be sent into the IRS and, I'll pay it a little bit later, right? Well, after a while, it stacks up on you. One paycheck turns into two paychecks. Before you know it, you're behind a year, 2 years, or maybe even more on many quarters. So at the end of the day, give us a call, reach out to any kind of professional to help you. We can help you rebuild your 941s if need be, reconstruct your payroll taxes if need be, your payroll. We have all the resources nationwide to take care of it. So give us a call, and please like and subscribe to the video channel. And I apologize for the shaky screen as I walk down the road, but I want to get this message across to you. Thank you much. Bye-bye.